Brace yourselves for a festive fashion extravaganza as we unveil the most outrageous ugly Christmas sweater designs for the year 2023. Get set to become the epicenter of Christmas cheer and conversation with these distinctive holiday statements. Picture this: Santa Claus, resplendent in a shower of sequins and twinkling lights, emblazoned across your chest. This is the glittering Santa sweater, a design that promises to make you outshine even the most radiant of Christmas decorations. Next in line is the Jingle Bell Bonanza sweater. Imagine a garment so merry it jingles with every step you take. Decked from top to bottom with bells of varying sizes, this sweater ensures a symphony of holiday cheer accompanies you wherever you go. It's an auditory delight, just not advisable for quieter settings. Up next, we have the Naughty or Nice sweater. With a clever switch mechanism, this design lets you proclaim your holiday behavior to the world. Whether you're feeling saintly or a bit devilish, this sweater has got you covered. For the fanciful at heart, the Dancing Elves sweater is a perfect fit. Picture a troupe of playful elves pirouetting across your sweater, spreading Christmas joy with their merry antics. This whimsical design promises a festive season filled with laughter and mirth. Finally, we present the Christmas Tree Extravaganza sweater. Envision a beautifully adorned Christmas tree, complete with twinkling lights and shiny baubles, right on your sweater. But that's not all. A tiny train chugs along the hem, making you a mobile winter wonderland. We've just given you a sneak peek at the most outrageous ugly Christmas sweater designs for the year 2023. Remember, when it comes to festive fashion, there's no such thing as too much. We appreciate your company on this festive sartorial journey. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the latest holiday trends. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a holiday season filled with sweaters that are gloriously ugly and wonderfully festive.